I have this trigger finger, so when I'm in between sessions, I don't know, I go through periodics of trying to massage it. I had trigger finger in the right hand, and then it went away, and I was massaging and working them. But this finger, I can get it open, but it snaps. Oh. Okay, so there's some crunching that goes on when I massage this knuckle, and I don't know if it's this knuckle or if it's in here. I've read both, that it can hang up. So it's a tendon that runs through here that's bound up in a channel somehow. It gets stuck, like the tendon has a knot in it, and it gets stuck in this tissue, cartilage, ligament, something that crosses over. So, and the tendon slides in and out, and it catches. So, I don't know, it's just something I wish I could fix. Maybe someday that I record it, or that I work on it still, I'll fix it. It's kind of seems arthritic, inflammation, which is kind of what arthritis is. Anyhow, another thing, just working on my body, sharing the ideas. Maybe it'll stimulate something for one of you guys out there. What can we do for skiing while we got the video going? You know, I was throwing this ball up and mixing in some squats with it. Some skier squats. So as I throw it in the air and catch it and go down, I'm rotating the legs, tipping on the edges, up, whoa, rotating, tipping on the edges of the feet, and firing up. Trying to keep the leg shafts parallel, and then as you come down, you're going to stay on the outside, so you're balanced over the outside edge. Try not to tip one knee in too far. Keep that parallel, and then get on the edges of your feet. And if you can get your feet turned with it, so you're not just turning your knees and torquing the ankle. Okay, so the feet should turn. Yeah, try that. I think that's a good one for skiing. Making stuff up. Just making stuff up. All right, try it. Peace. Don't hurt yourself. I'll let your own risk. You know the routine.